Hola familia, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today is the last update for the Partners in Creme Project Pan. I believe the finale is next month. At least it'll be for me, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be for the whole entire group of us. I think we all wanted to take a break in December. I think that's a great idea, you guys. I would highly recommend, if you are a project panner, take a month off, especially at the end of the year when the holiday season, you're home, you're on vacation, you don't care to put makeup on, or maybe you do, because you have a lot of parties to go to. At least I know I have a lot of parties to go to. But it is nice to take a break. It really is. It refreshes you to get started in the new year and you're not burnt out. Highly recommend you do it. That's just one tip that I know I don't hear a lot of when it comes to tips on project panning. Take a break. You need it. We all need a break. So anyway, we're here for the last update of Partners in Creme. This was created by the beautiful Stefan DeLynn here on YouTube, you guys. I have my 5 products here. I have some rollouts, which is exciting. I believe I'm gonna keep it to the 5. I will roll in products because I still want to continue to use some of my cream products, but I'm excited to show you guys what I finished. So if that's something that interests you, stay tuned. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alejandra. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a Dutch project pan. That is something that interests you. Subscribe, join us, and now let's get on with an update. Alrighty, friends, so we have our 5 products here in no particular order. Let's just get started. The first product I rolled in, I believe, last month, and I said, I'm trying to get as much use out of it. I just want to use it up. I wish I had a better color for it because I don't mind the formula. It's just the color of it. This is the Clinique Even Better All Over Concealer Eraser product. You see how light that is? Yes, it is under my eyes. I've been wearing it nonstop under my eyes. Last one, you couldn't see windows, and now you can actually see windows in this. This has a decent amount of product, you guys. And about a few days ago, I just took the stopper out. I don't mind taking the stopper out of concealers. I do not take them out of lip glosses. But you guys can see this wand is gunked up and I still have a lot to go around the scraping. Before I took out the stopper, it was very difficult. I was scraping the edges and not much was coming out under my eyes. So I said, you know what? It's time to take out the stopper and just try to scrape out as much as I can. This is going to last me even into the new year, which is fine. I'm not upset about it. I don't mind this. I really don't. I am not somebody who likes full coverage under my eyes. I've realized that because I do not use full coverage on my face. So because of that reason, I don't like the full coverageness. And this actually doesn't. This gives me more coverage if I were to use a brush, but it gives me less coverage if I use a sponge. You know what I mean? Like a sheer cover. And I don't have a lot under my eyes where I need to work on. It's just more in my inner corner. In the wintertime, that's when I get a little bit of dark circles if I am always under coldness. Like if I'm not covering myself and I'm cold, then I get my dark circles. So I just got to make sure I correct here. And then I don't need much anywhere else, to be honest with you. I don't like to put too much under my eyes anyway because it gets drying and fine lines are starting to show up, you know, old age. So I like this. I'm not mad at it. I just need to find my right shade if I am going to purchase it in the future. But MAC Prolonger is still my holy grail. Like, I don't use that word often, holy grail, but it is. I miss it and I'm dying to finish off all my concealers to just buy that. Up next is my setting spray. This is the Ofra Mattifying Makeup Fixer. So we started out here and now we are down to here. So this is how much we've used, and this is an average amount of how much I use as a setting spray. Like I told you guys, this is going to take me a while. This is going to carry on till next year, which is okay. My last and only setting spray left. And it's interesting because when I mentioned that in the last month, a lot of you guys had asked me which setting spray would I purchase. Now that I'm completely done with all of them, this is my last one. Which one would I purchase? I personally would purchase the Cover FX one because it does not have alcohol in it, and I have heard so many good things about it. I had a little small one and I enjoyed it. The only thing that I've heard that's negative about it is the packaging, that it may break because it has that little ball and then it may get stuck. So I don't know. I've never had a full size, so we're going to try it out, but it's always out of stock. It's always out of stock, so that's how you know it's good. So that's what I would purchase after I'm done this one. So anyway, back to this. I'm still on track. It'll be here till the end, and that's okay. My Mally Shadow Stick in Topaz. My goal was to use this 15 times, you guys. Last time I only used it twice. I was terrible. I only used it twice, But as I'm sitting here with you guys today, I only need to use this 5 more times. 5 more times, you guys, and I can see, wow, I really scrolled down. Like, I think I'm probably all the way down to here. I used a bit of it. Now, this is all I'm wearing on my eyes with a little bit of a glitter topper on my lid. This stick is all that I have on my crease and all over my lid, and then I just topped it off with one of the new Jaclyn Cosmetics glitter toppers that I'm testing out, and I just put it right on top of my lid. That's it. And then I have this on my lower lash line and in my waterline. This is all that I have on my eyes, basically. This is the star of the show of my eyeballs. See how beautiful it is? I love this. Super easy to blend out. I just rub it on my eyelid, grab my brush, blend it and diffuse it into my crease, and then I just build the color up on my lid because I want it to be deeper in a contrast on my lid than it is on my crease. And this is it. This is all. This is what I have, and I love this look. I love this look. It's just so beautiful. So I have 5 more times to use it. I'll probably rock it 5 more times. It's just so much fun. I love this shade, and I don't think I have anything exactly like this in any other shadow stick, which I'm going to be sad about when I finish it. But I do want to finish it because you guys know I broke it a few times last year. Not once, probably twice. So it's still here 5 more times. I'm good with that. My Benefit What's Up, you guys. This is officially done. I did not dig it out because I realized it turned on me right at the end. It smells a little off. So I was like, I'm not digging that out, putting it on my face anymore. You guys, I'm done. I have rolled this up. At this point, if I try to scrape this on my face, it's just scraping. Like I'm getting the edges and it's scraping my face. This is a beautiful highlighter. I've said this many times. If you want a cream highlighter that has absolutely nothing but a glow within, no shimmer, no glowiness, no tackiness, anything of that sort, this is the perfect one. I think that this is the #1, my favorite stick highlighter that I've ever tried, and I loved it. And that's saying a lot because I've had the mini, and I purchased the full size on my own and I used it up. I think it's beautiful. Last product that I have is my Bite Beauty Date lipstick. My goal was to finish this off, you guys, and I'm done. I completely finished this baby off. Anything you see there is plastic. So if I were to roll this down, there it is right there. You guys, I had so much fun using this as a cream blush. I am having so much fun using lipsticks as cream blushes because it helps to have my powder brush just stand out, and it gives me such a beautiful, long-lasting look on my cheeks because my cheeks eat up blushes like crazy. No matter what the formula is, most of them will wear off, but this makes it last a lot longer, and I love that. Love that. So this is done. Another lipstick done this year. Woo! You guys, I am on a roll that I think next year I'm going to finish so many lipsticks, and I'm so excited because I've been neglecting them for like at least the last 2 years. So I can finally put this in as an empty as well. All right, you guys, so what we have left is the Ofra setting spray, which is going to be here till the end. My concealer, which is a little bit dirty. Let me wipe it before I get it all over the place. This, you can see the cap came off. This is going to be here till the end as well, which is perfectly fine. This is my Mally shadow stick. I have 5 more uses. I do not see myself having an issue. As long as I use it, even in the waterline, it still counts as a use. So I don't see myself having an issue 5 more times in November. This is perfect for November. So we're going to keep this in. And what I'm going to roll in for this month, I do not expect to finish anything off. Well, maybe one thing I might finish off or so. This is my VDL Lumi Layer Primer. I have no clue where I'm at. This is a frosted bottle, so I can't see through it. But I'm not really that concerned with tallying it up either, since the next time I'm talking to you guys about these products will be the finale. I just wanted to start using this. This is my only primer in my collection, and I don't want to neglect it and use other things because I love it too much. You know that whole entire mentality we got. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use it and love it. I'm wearing it today. I've been wearing it for the last week and a half, and I decided to put it in this project pan to use it, to remind myself to use it, because I have been neglecting this since I've been using these as primers. I want to go back to my actual primer and use it up. So I'm rolling this in. We'll see how much I use. I don't know. It might feel a little bit less. It's a glass bottle, so that's even deceiving. So we're just going to pretend that we know where we're at, okay? And the other one I want to roll in is actually my Bite Beauty Pepper lipstick. So this is how much we have left. Since I finished my date, I ended up rolling in on my own pepper and rhubarb. Unfortunately, rhubarb turned on me. As I used it twice on my cheek, I started to smell this Play-Doh scent and I realized it went bad. And I'm not playing around, not with my face. If it went bad, I don't want it to break out and give me more texture than I already have on my face. So I just decluttered it out of my collection. So that's giving me a sign that I'm doing well in picking lipsticks as cream blushes. So my goal is to finish Pepper off. Pepper is actually a nice shade. I don't mind it on my lips, but I'm not going to finish this off on my lips. And out of Pepper and Chai, I personally like Chai more because it has brown to it, and this one has more pink and purple. I am wearing it on my cheeks. Can you guys kind of tell? Like, you can see a little bit of it on my cheeks here. I put it on the back of my cheeks, but it does kind of mesh with my lip product. So I want to finish this off. I might be able to finish it off by the next finale. Who knows? Because I use this every single time I wear my I wear face product. So that's how I finished this one off. So maybe I'm crossing my fingers I can get one more lipstick in before the end of the year and my empties are done. So we'll see. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and following me along. I hope you guys are enjoying this. More videos on the screen for you to enjoy. Until then, adios.